Good evening everyone. In this tutorial I will show you some basic numerical operation in Python. I have opened Python. Let's write in comment. Print 20 by 2. Twenty-five modulus 4. See the result. The last one is modulus. It will give the result the remainder. 25 modulus 4. The remainder is 1. So what we can do now, we can do it using variable. Let's declare variable a equal to 30, b equal to 10 or 8. Now print a plus b, print a minus b, print a into b, print a division b, print a modulus b. Let's see the result. Run the program. See the last one, the remainder is 6. So this is all today, the numerical operation we have seen in this tutorial. Thank you very much.